Hey! 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 Why are you supposed to sell a map of all the hour? You said it would not move out of all. Remember how we do I say about eh? Yeah, Chineke ya pụtakwala na room ebe ka ha na-aga. N'ikwu inu anya ooo. Hey! Maybe got to put here and I don't like him now. But then what a proof na aka gị. Ka eji hapụzikwa enyi ya.
Go join on one end.
Ka kuku dị akụkọ dị ha nke biko. Chineke.
Abụma for me, say ka happy ya n'ime ebe.
Ọ dịrọ possible.
Tiri rice ebe.
Tigre rice.
The fact that this man is not even serious. He was even telling me, let's start trading beds. I was like, for where? Can never be me. I'm scared of bed. I don't like, it's not like I don't like bed, but I'm just scared of beds, you know. So, but we let her open the window for them to fly out. It was just from the kitchen that they entered inside. Yeah, I had to start browsing immediately. They said it's not bad. It's not a bad omen. It's just a normal bed, harmless bed. So, but that was just it. So, technically, these birds came to visit me. So afterwards, I headed to the salon to retouch my hair. You know, my hair was already long overdue. I've carried this hair for like about 3 months or thereabouts. So I decided to go and retouch it. Yeah, so after I applied relaxer, this is the stylist helping me to wash off the relaxer on my hair. Yeah, so after washing it, it came out so comfy and fine and beautiful. So guys, this is how I'm looking, yeah, after retouching my hair. Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Hey guys, good morning. This is after 5 and I'm starting a new vlog. Actually, I just want to be very snappy. So I'm heading to the Noble Mary office today to get my incentive, and I also want to make my hair today. So today is just going to be a juggling day. Let's just see how it goes. Yeah, join me today.
Does not correspond with what you used to register, and you are here. Go home.
That game, when I come here, I understand this. I just got back home. Like, I'm so tired already. I'm having headache. Minus headache. I'm so tired. Like, I had a very stressful day today. At the pickup center, I went to pick up my incentives. And I just got home now. I had to just quickly pour water on my body. If you can see, I just poured water on my body, and I was thinking this thing is something I can come back around 12, but it's actually after 3 now, and I actually booked an appointment with my with the hairstylist around 1, but this is after 3. Well, I'm actually heading there now. I know there is no time, but I'll just have to see if she's still less busy. I'll just try to see if I can be able to finish the hair today. If I can't do it, I'll not come and get myself. Even because of the stress, I'm already having headache. But because I already booked it, and I didn't know that where I went to this, as in this, like this today early morning movement, we take so much time. So like I'm so exhausted, like I'm so tired. I don't even feel like going now. I just want to lie down and sleep, but I don't have any choice. I have to just go there, make it not be like say, So guys, that's the update so far. So you guys can see, I'll make a proper video of everything I got. Yeah, but for now, let me head to the salon first. By the time I'm ready to open those bags, I'll show you guys properly. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Yeah. Not me stepping out again, and I just noticed that where I was sitting, these 2 birds came and perched there like twins. Hell, is this a sign from the universe? Is this a sign from the universe? I had to just capture the moment. I was like, why are these birds following me up and down, especially in twos? Oh, they always come in twos. What is this sign that the universe is giving me? Anyways, that's just it for there. I had this for dinner, and that was it for that day. So guys, I just had my shower, and I decided to wash my hair again because I think I'll be braiding it tomorrow. Then from here, I want to go and do delivery to my client at Asaba. So from there, I think I will just quickly get something at the superstore, right? So far so good. This is how our day is going. So join me guys, let's go together. Something like that. All those little. Thank you. Oh, I wanted to get something for washing of plates. I don't know. There's one exact one I bought the last time. I don't know which one I should get. One is 2,180. I thought it's the. Okay, I think this one is 1 liter. This was the one I used the last time, but I think I will just go for this one. I don't want to spend more than 2,000 for this. I'm just confused. So guys, I want to go make my hair. Yeah. Join me, let's go. So guys, over here I was just feeling myself. I was about to start making my hair. I was like, okay, let me capture myself, let me capture this moment to the camera, you know. I was just feeling myself. So here is it. Alongside, Hobby was coming back, he went out, and I told him I was at the salon making my hair. He bought me Pringles and Malt just to be munching on it while I'm making my hair. You know. So that was just it. And this hair here, I was just munching on it and just, making the hair. As you can see, the hair was already halfway here. Yeah, so after a short while, I'll show you guys the finishing. The hair was done here. Like, look at it, clock it now. It's almost done. And here is the beauty we have. What should I even, oh my god, let me stop talking so you guys can hear the voices on the background. Hair will be on my face came out like popping, so pretty, guys. Clock it. It's my new look.
Carry and play first.
So guys, this is the collection of the gift items I came back home with from the savings I did with this Noble Mary venture for 1 year, and this is collection of 9 accounts. Yeah, so as you can see, they gave me 4 pack of 5 kg semo. I received 5 roll of milk. This is choco tea. I received Sonia tomato, I think about 10 rolls. I received 4 pack of custard. This is milk. Okay, this one is gari. Yeah, this one is gari, 3-in-1 gari. Yeah, so this is the milk, actually, that one over there, that Kimo milk with the chocolate tea. So this is the noodles. This is about 5 cartons of noodles. This is oil. I received 5 oil, actually. I have removed one. I just started using one yesterday. So, and this is the noodles, about 5 cartons. This is rice. This rice are one pint, I think. So this is 3 pack, and this is 2 cartons of spaghetti. Yeah, 2 full carton of spaghetti. You can see that. Yeah, so all these are gifts. Like, just for saving with this company with 1 year, they will see. This is my like 3 years of doing this with them. Yeah, so they have actually reduced their hand. Previously, like this, as this is 9 hands, you end up getting 9 pieces of semo, oil 9 pieces, indomie 9 pieces, rice 9 pieces. But you know how the economy is now. Yeah, so they just reduce them, but nevertheless we still appreciate them because it's not even easy. The company has been running for so long. Yeah, it's not even easy. So this is just the gift I got, and most of this I can't even, I'm still expecting to even go there and collect some in very few months time to come. So I want to give my mom most of these ones. Yeah, although I will still take some part, but I don't want to give her mostly because I'm still expecting more of this, yeah, anytime soon. I still have a running account that I'll still be carrying anytime soon. So this is how all the whole incentive looks like, yeah. So this is how it looks like. Clock it. It's actually worth it and more. Yeah. It just helps me to go get this duvet from the dry cleaners. Yeah, because washing this duvet So just helps me to go pick it up. Yeah. Anaka wanya kezo di banana. Anaka wanya kezo di banana. Na my customer.
Ejurumeba.
I chemichari garu.
N'ebe ngori ya but that baby is in afuba banana. If no le koro fuma.
You go no call it.
One fork and
Jesus, she said well. What do you call bro? How can we wait in the dry cleaner? The comfort. My star baby. And baby, we don't like to stress your wife. Hey! Oh. So guys, I'm just coming back from the market. My face is red because of too much sun. Only me know they use sunscreen. Only me know wear cap. Only me sun they heat. This will not spoil this my fine skin. So I actually want to go get something to eat because I'm hungry. So I decided to just branch here to get something. Talking, give me one.